All right, welcome back YouTube. What we got going on today is we're actually going to be cutting into the frame, putting in our mount for our coil bucket. We're going to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all the crazy stuff we ask you to do. And let's get into this of chopping up this frame and making our mount plate and then putting the actual coil bucket in. So as you can see, I got it all marked up. I'm going to be cutting along this red line so I can cut out all of this, and then I'm going to make a plate to come across, and then I'll make a plate that welds into here and comes out and meets this plate. Our coil bucket. And carried on. So the cutoff wheel gives me a more straight line to make a pattern out of. So that's why I use the grinder with cutoff wheel. Try to find as many edges as I can. This is where it gets tricky because ain't really much. It's higher than the actual table or the piece of metal. So you got to get it close, and then what you end up doing is sitting there with the grinder. Once you get it cut out and close, you grind it until it fits in there nicely. Well, I've been doing, it actually fits pretty good. All I need to do is just bevel it. Bevel the frame and bevel this. So my biggest concern right now on putting this in is making sure that this is 90 degrees. Right now, we're at 89.8. Here we go. The only real problem with it is this blade so wide, you can't really get some good turns on it. So you gotta calculate how you're gonna go in and attack this thing. Yeah, got a piece of slag in there. $89.9. $89.9. And that's 90 right there. Not bad. All right, there we go. That is the frame, square cut out, flat plate put in, flat stock to mount the coil bucket. I'm trying something a little bit different. I need you guys to let me know if you like this way a little bit better. Is that I'm gonna try to keep the videos short. So what that means is you'll get small pieces of the build in the video. Like all I'm gonna do Well, as you watch the video, you'll see the only thing that was in this video was this mounting area. Like I wasn't going to try to do this, try to do something else, because I'm still trying to learn how to edit the videos so it's making the videos too long, because where do I cut, where do I put in, what do I keep and what do I don't keep, you know, so it's hopefully with just this little area I'll have less video to put in there and try to chop up and make it a video within, because I'm trying to keep them in between 10 to 20 minutes. The last one was 33 minutes, I think. And I know people ain't sticking around long enough to watch it all because YouTube tells you. So let me know what you think in the comments below on this new style of videos that I'm trying to do. Just like my next video will be making the cross member for the links. That way I can start trying to put weight on the vehicle to determine the front ride height on where the coil bucket needs to go. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell down there, and also leave me some comments if you like this little short type of video better than me jumping around and trying to do a lot over a long period of time. Let me know what you're thinking below. Peace out.